Hi, scientists. The next piece of our investigation report is to look at how we are going to plan for the collection of data. In our lab guide, we have an example of two types of data tables. This first one is showing qualitative observations. We are going to look at our independent variable, and again, this is the example of the melting ice experiment, and all of the different scenarios of, in this case, temperature. So all the different scenarios of the independent variable that are going to be tested. And qualitative observations. What do we see? What do we hear? What do we smell? What are those qualitative, not measured observations that are detectable? And we've also got a raw data table that has our measured variables, again, organized according to the changes we're introducing, the different scenarios of our independent variable. With our potential difference investigation, we will not need to make more than one trial, although ordinarily with real equipment we would do that, but because we're using the simulation, we will not have more than one trial. Also, because we're using the simulation, our instruments do not have an uncertainty, although ordinarily we will record the uncertainty of the measuring instruments, but not necessary for this investigation. Remember to include the units of your independent variable and the units for your dependent variable. The planning stage of the investigation goes all the way up to planning how to collect the data, so planning the data table. When you've completed this step, your planning is finished and you're ready for feedback on your plan.